Family is important. They are our support system. They offer love and understanding when needed. Strong families make us stronger to handle life's challenges. Families can face difficult circumstances which are sometimes inevitable. Disagreements are normal. Effective communication is one of the keys to keeping the family's relationship strong when it comes to resolving conflicts. We must learn to listen and understand each other. It fosters greater understanding, reduces conflicts, and builds trust. Conflicts happen in every family. It's a natural part of relationships. However, how we handle these conflicts can make a big difference in maintaining harmony and understanding within the family unit. Don't avoid difficult conversations, as sweeping issues under the rug can lead to bigger problems down the line. Instead, approach these conversations with an open mind and a willingness to understand each other, no matter how difficult it may seem. When discussing sensitive topics, talk openly and honestly. Use I statements to express your feelings. For example, say, "I feel hurt when," instead of blaming the other person. This approach helps to communicate your emotions without making the other person feel attacked or defensive. It's important to take responsibility for your own feelings and to express them in a way that fosters constructive dialogue. If emotions start to run high, take time to cool down if needed. It's okay to walk away from the conversation if you feel angry or overwhelmed. Taking a break can give everyone a chance to calm down and gather their thoughts. When you come back to the conversation, you'll be in a better state of mind to discuss the issue rationally and empathetically. Remember to listen to each other's perspectives. Active listening involves not just hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. Show that you are listening by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and providing feedback. This can help to build trust and show that you value the other person's point of view. In summary, handling conflicts with care and consideration can strengthen family bonds. By communicating openly, using I statements, taking breaks when needed, and actively listening, you can navigate conflicts in a way that promotes understanding and resolution. This approach not only resolves the immediate issue, but also builds a foundation for healthier communication in the future. Boundaries are important in all relationships. This is also true in families. Boundaries are limits we set. They protect our feelings and well-being. Communicate your boundaries clearly. Let others know what you are comfortable with. Respect the boundaries of your family members. Support their need for space or independence. Boundaries help create a healthy environment where everyone feels safe and respected. They are essential for maintaining harmony and understanding within the family unit. When we set boundaries, we are expressing our needs and expectations. This helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. It is important to have open and honest conversations about boundaries with your family members. For example, you might need some quiet time to focus on your work or personal projects. Let your family know this, and they will be more likely to respect your need for solitude. Similarly, if a family member needs time alone to recharge, honor their request. This mutual respect fosters a supportive and loving atmosphere. Remember, boundaries are not about building walls, but about creating a space where everyone can thrive. They allow us to connect with each other in a meaningful way while still honoring our individual needs. By respecting each other's boundaries, we show that we care about each other's well-being. This builds trust and strengthens the family bond. Reinforcing the importance of setting and respecting boundaries is a crucial aspect of building respect within the family. It ensures that everyone feels valued and understood. So take the time to discuss and establish boundaries with your loved ones. It will lead to a more harmonious and respectful family life. A thriving family celebrates the uniqueness of each member, encouraging personal growth, self-expression, and the pursuit of individual dreams while maintaining a strong family unit. Parent-child relationships are special. They need care and attention. Spend quality time with your children. Listen to their thoughts and feelings. Show interest in their lives. Support their hobbies and passions. Offer guidance and encouragement. discipline with love and understanding. Section 5, creating happy memories, family fun. Create happy memories together, share meals as a family, make time for fun activities, play games, watch movies, or go for walks. These moments strengthen your bond. They create lasting memories. They bring joy and laughter to your home. Family fun is an essential part of building a strong, loving, and connected family unit. It's not just about the activities themselves, but the quality time spent together. When you share meals, whether it's a casual dinner at home or a festive BBQ in the backyard, you create opportunities for meaningful conversations and connections. These shared experiences are the foundation of a happy family life. Engage in various fun activities that everyone enjoys. Play board games that challenge your minds and bring out your competitive spirit. Watch movies that make you laugh, cry, and think together. Go for walks in the park, enjoying nature and each other's company. These simple yet profound moments are what make life special. Remember, it's the little things that count. A spontaneous game of charades, a family movie night with popcorn, or a leisurely stroll around the neighborhood can create cherished memories. These activities not only bring joy and laughter, but also teach valuable life lessons about teamwork, patience, and love. So, make time for family fun and watch your relationship. Section 7. Building a stronger family, your next steps. Building a strong family takes effort. Communicate openly and honestly. Spend quality time together. Show appreciation for one another. Resolve conflicts peacefully. Practice forgiveness and kindness. Remember that family is a gift. Cherish and nurture your relationships. Section 8. Remember, every family is unique. There are many solutions available for each individual family. Find out what will work for your family and implement it. Love, respect, and understanding are cornerstones and great foundations for each family. Rethink the possibilities. You can build a happier and stronger family. Give that goal your best effort and see your family relationships bloom. Thanks for watching. If you have found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Have an amazing day.